Hey bro, couple of changes here and they are very close to go live. Just please do me a favor and do these changes first. Uh, they like this and we just need to remove annual. So it's going to be a pumpkin fair. So this will be centered. I hope so. Everything will be centered. Then when we scroll down into the sticky menu, can you make the menu same as Sandy has? When she goes into the sticky, it's still a little bit transparent and with this line. So if we can have for them the same, it will be great. Second, find your dream home in one of these neighborhoods. Please make it a little bit bold and more visible. Then can we have these communities in one line, not in stair, so they can be in one line? If we can do that here, it will be great. When we scroll down, everything else here is perfect. Now to the mobile version, can you make this Borg team logo a little bit to the left so it's in line with the social media, or you can make it a little bit smaller and so it can be everything in line? It will be awesome. Then when we scroll down, this is good. And but she think it's still stretched. So if you can just make it original or something, it will be great. But when we go into the city search, this is completely cut off. So we need to fix this and check all the other photos. They're looking great, but this one not so much. So let me just open it in the new. Yes, as you can see, this is not good photo, so we have to fix that as well. So I believe those are the changes, nothing else. And let me know when you complete it. It will be good if you can do it today. Thanks.